my name is Sulaiman. Today we are talking about B2B inquiries and how to make them successful. Whether you are experienced or new to B2B world, this video will give you helpful tips and insights. So sit back and let's start understanding B2B inquiries. Before we get into the details of making B2B inquiries, let's first understand what they are and why they matter. B2B inquiries or business-to-business inquiries are communications between businesses to gather information, request proposal, or make purchasing decision. They can be done through email, phone calls, or face-to-face meetings. B2B inquiries help build relationships, negotiate deals, and drive businesses' growth. Preparing for your inquiry. The key to a successful B2B inquiry is good preparation. Before contacting a potential partner or supplier, research their business, understand their products or services, and see how your offering match their needs. Write a clear and concise message that highlights the value of you bring. First impression is essential, so make sure your inquiry is professional, thoughtful, and tolerant to the recipient. Crafting your inquiry. When crafting your B2B inquiry, focus on being clear, relevant, and personal. Start by addressing the recipient by their name and introducing yourself and your company briefly. Clearly state the purpose of your inquiry and explain why you are reaching out. Highlight the benefits of working with your company and show that you understand the recipient's business and industry. Be specific about what you need and include any relevant information or attachments. Choose the right communication channel. There are many ways to make B2B inquiries, including email, phone, video calls, and use of any social media. Choose the channel based on the nature of your inquiry, the recipient's preference, and based on the urgency of your request. Email is often a good choice for initial inquiries because it allows you to provide details, information, and creates a written record. However, if a personal touch is needed, a phone call or video call might be better. Tips for making a successful inquiry. Here are some tips to increase the chances of a positive response. Number one, be clear and concise in your message. And number two, personalize your communication to the recipient. Number three, highlight the value and you can bring to the partnership. Number four, follow up promptly and professionally. And number five, be respectful of recipients' time and preferences. So in conclusion, making successful B2B inquiries requires good preparation, thoughtful communication, and a personal touch. By following the tips in this video, you can build strong relationships, close deals, and drive business growth. Remember, B2B inquiries are important, so approach them with confidence, professionalism, and a bit of creativity. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you to understand better about B2B inquiries. See you in my next video. Thank you.